everybody wants that one that's hard to catch, that fights hard, that gets the biggest. I mean, obviously we target all 5 species, and you never know. We try to make every species fun, but obviously the chinook is the one that people want just because they fight the hardest and they're hardest to catch, the challenge.
They do have the potential to be a 30, 40-pound fish. That's kind of a benchmark, I guess we'd call it. You know, when guys catch that 30-pounder, they've reached their goal. That's their...
Got it, they've done it.
They've got it, they've done it.
To the left. What's our depth?
284.
Right, go to the left. We're just gonna go beyond it, and then I'm gonna go back through it. Yeah, once we just gotta get the right speed. Next time you see that thing, it's gonna be in a chinook's mouth. Come on, brother! There he is. There he is. That's got a bit of weight. And a raw 20-pounder, boys! Yeah!
That's my biggest fish this year, but we've had some bigger fish out here, 27, 30-pounders in that area. But that's the big fish for me this year so far. Been out a couple times, catching fish typically in the 8. Got him. He's on.